Hey.
The vanilla mint price. This is the previous owner.
AF Parts, what's up?
Yeah. Look at this stuff.
Yo, for real, I got this seat over here. Look. Look from Portland, Oregon.
Holy hell. Oh my god, it's so clean. I want to kill myself.
Yeah, but just take a look at it. I don't know if it's up to your standard.
Yeah, but I don't really have standards anymore. I'm a Civic owner.
There we go.
Oh my god, we've never opened this?
Oh.
Oh my
Look at
god.
that exhaust. It's like OEM. Think this is the Russo sorry, no.
That's surface rust.
I know, I just hate it.
Wow.
Do you have like a, there's like a spray you can spray on shit?
Yeah, it's called naval jelly.
Okay.
So the mud terrains, or all terrains, whatever I decide, gonna go on the GSR Sunflower. So these are actually really cool wheels.
Just this little nick right here.
That's fine.
They are, dude, they look beautiful on wagons.
Miss, can you inspect these for me?
Unboxing.
Unwrapping. You continue. Oh. Sophia is
Good
not
Lord.
happy by this.
That shit hasn't seen sunlight in mad long. Look how dark it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get you everything else now.
Nah, it's gonna be impossible to find.
All right, Sophia.
That is a clean fucking seat.
JDM fogs too. I have premium white pearl. I guess they would be SH. Side skirts. I'm gonna put on the Prelude. These were a gift from a friend. And I'm very honored that he gave them to me.
Never ends with this car. Oh. On the foot.
Oh, hello.
I already got the breaker bar on that.
Oh, it's gonna strip. Lucky.
A wild cheetah got into this again, but
Oh, they follow me everywhere, these wild cheetahs.
so this seat is seen better days. So trim tools are always
Yeah, I would have broke that bracket.
Cover
Get this
me?
bolt off. All the other three were I got to get access to them easy, but this one had a little cover on it. These bolts weren't easy to get off. Don't go too crazy. Like, yeah. Oh, this just.
we gotta disconnect the sensor underneath the seat. So that should be.
That's that. He says another one. Yeah, the seat was pretty bad.
Cheetahs.
Cheetahs. These old seats show some. They wear pretty easy, but we might keep this in the shop or something.
Just need access to this, that's all.
Oh.
I should have took out the headrest, but
Well, look how clean the seat is. No rips. Perfect.
EF parts.
Yeah, thank you EF Parts for selling this to my friend many years ago. You're in. Just try to push it back now, because the other one's not going to move.
Yeah, I got it.
A little bit more. Now pull it forward.
Oh, sorry.
Boom. Little bit of difference in fade, but whatever. You really can't tell. Actually, you could tell.
Can definitely tell.
Can't get over how the Prelude looks so different with this side skirt on it. We will continue this video when we steam clean the wagon. So we ran out of time the other day, but me and Johnny bought, what is it called? I guess it's like an upholstery cleaner?
No, it's a
Carpet cleaner?
It's a stain spot cleaner. Or carpet cleaner. So I'm gonna use it to clean up the interior.
Yeah, like look, we have like, that's like discoloration, just obviously probably just from dust.
Probably, yeah, because if you just look at that. Dust.
Yeah.
Oh, also, if you guys have wagons with the broken pull tabs, you can use one of three options. You can either source out another Civic wagon with a pull tab, or you can find a first gen CRV and use that. They're a little bit bigger.
I actually think they match pretty well.
Or you can go find yourself an RSX 02 to 06 and use theirs as well. It's the same exact thing. So basically, Honda didn't discontinue them. They're still making them, but under false pretenses.
Just in different shapes.
And also, if you guys break your door tabs, you can use a second-gen CRV.
Oh, they're identical almost.
The little tab, it sits in there perfectly, but it just when you unlock it, it sits way taller.
That's fine.
But yeah, little fun things, you know.
Fun fact, wagon people.
So that suction.
Scared. This really doesn't look that dirty, and we're about to see how dirty this thing really is.
But I feel like it's him because look at that water so far.
Yo! That is gross.
I'm just kidding.
Yo, that is disgusting. That's 30 years of dirt that's never been professionally cleaned, just, you know, kept nice. Because this car is clean. This is a clean car compared to like other cars.
Well, we gotta get
that are 30.
Redwood.
Yeah, we got a lot of work to do. Yo, mid-clean, Amazon showed up.
Fit has the good one.
Johnny has the weird convex one in his Fit, but my Prelude and my Accord all have this exact mirror.
Don't bother my eyes.
I just don't drive in the night. But yeah, 270 mil, that's it.
The camera way too much.
Or if Wagon Curse is just rare part life. That's what I'm saying.
You should go weird, bro.
What am I? From Perth Amboy?
You have a Civic now.
I do have a Civic now. This is all true. Just clip on. These are identical.
I know they are.
Literally identical. Look at that, yo.
GoPro hero.
Wow, look at that. Yeah. I think I have a larger one in here. Now I'm all concerned that I don't have a long one in here.
They're not long.
There's a 300. Wow, the Wagon's way shorter. Yeah, the Prelude one I got a 300. Cause look, this is shorter, and that was the same size. This car, we gotta clean this thing. This car is really low. Driving around a Ford Transit for the past 5 months. And then this is the secondary daily. Because the Accord, we're giving her a break. Or Johnny's driving her. I forget how...
I was gonna get it today.
I forget how low this car is. Alright.
I went and got it today. I think I'll go get it later.
That's disgusting. As you saw, that was clean water.
No, the clean water's on the other side. This is the dirty water.
But this was the clean water that got put on the carpet and got flushed into this system reservoir tank.
Systems.
This is disgusting. Ew, ew, ew. I don't want to look at this. No, that's gross. Ew! Ah, it splattered on me.
All in all, I'm happy with this thing.
Yeah, this is awesome. I'm really happy we got this.
All right, we're going inside. We're done.
Yeah.
All right, I guess that's it. So remember, hit the circle to subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below, like the video, and if you want to see more Wagon stuff, click here for the Wagon playlist. See ya.